Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to adjust the double tap forward sprint in Battlefield 6. Enjoy! So to set up this option you have to at first open the settings by using this gear icon here, and now move to the second option, which is gameplay, and scroll down a little bit. Here you have the double tap forward sprint option. If you choose it to off, then double tap forward sprint doesn't work. If you choose it on sprint, then if you use double tap forward to sprint, then it will keep sprinting while holding the forward button. And if you choose the auto sprint, then if you double tap forward to sprint, then your soldier will keep sprinting after releasing forward button. And that would be all for these settings. Choose an option that you like the most and you wish to use it while playing this awesome game. And of course, leave a like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!